Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Kannam Naidu, and I'm delighted to continue our session today on utilizing Bitrix BI-Builder effectively for data analysis. For our last session, we explore a high-level overview of BI-Builder tool, include its features, benefits, capabilities, how to enable businesses to create customized reports and dashboards by integrating and analyzing CRM data. Before we move on, let me quickly recap the key takeaways from our previous discussion. The role of BA Builder is simplifying data visualization and analytics. How to convert and extract data from different Bitrix modules. Example of real world use cases such as tracking sales performance and monitoring customer engagement. This is the content for today's presentation. First we go to introduction to BA Builder. Just we recap overview of BA Builder in Bitrix24. Advanced reporting and analytical tools. That means BA Builder provides robust capability for creating customized reports and performing in-depth data analysis. Transform CRM data into actionable insights. Customizing and flexible. Tracking key performance indicator. Facilitates data-driven decision makings. Integrating multiple CRM modules. That means connected data from leads, deals, products, invoices, and more of comprehensive reporting. Support diverse business needs, visualization for clarity, enhancing collaboration. First, we understand what is BI Builder. BI Builder is a powerful analytics and reporting modules in Bitrix, designing transform CRM data into visualize, appealing, and actionable insights. It allows user to create customized reports that analyze key business metrics and track performance in real time. By integrating with various CRM modules such as leads, deals, contacts, companies, products, and tasks and projects. BI Builder and enhance organizations can business the full potential of their data to make strategies, data driven decisions. Let's see the key features of a BI Builder. Data visualization, advanced filtering is available in the BI Builder, customized reports and built-in reports. Bitrix provided 11 built-in reports. If you are not satisfied the built-in reports, we can create customized reports. Integrated with CRM modules, interaction drill driven, exporting options, real-time data updates, collaboration features. Just we recap benefits of BI Builder. Improve decision making. That means offer clear insights into sales, marketing, and operational data, enabling strategic plannings. Enhanced productivity, better performance tracking, increasing data transparency, customized for specific needs, scalability, improved collaboration, error reduction. These are the benefits for using BI Builder. Today, we are more focusing on datasets. What is datasets? Datasets is a context of Bitrix reference to constructed collection of data that can be used for reporting, analytics or integrating purposes. Datasets typically include fields and records organized into tables, which may represent entities such as leads, deals, contacts, companies, tasks and projects, products in the CRM as well as the other features. These datasets are accessible through built-in tools like as CRM Analytics, BI Builder, or through customized integrations using APIs. Benefits of datasets in Bitrix24. Enhance reporting and analytics. That means datasets allow for generation of comprehensive reports, helping businesses track performance metrics like sales, lead conversion rates, and customer retention. Using tools like BA Builder, you can customize and visualize data for deeper insights. Automation and workflow optimization. That means structured datasets enable automation workflows such as triggering tasks or notification based on specific data values such as deal stage or lead status. Data centralization. That means datasets centralize all customers and businesses information, reducing duplication, ensuring that all teams have access to accurate up to date data. Decision making support. By analyzing datasets, businesses can identify trends and patterns, enabling data driven decision makings. Third party integration. Datasets facilitate seamless integration with third party applications such as marketing tools, accurating, accounting software, or inventory systems, enhancing overall business efficiency. Custom analytics with BI tools. Bitrix datasets can export it to external BI tools for advancing data manipulation and visualization, allowing for customized dashboards and reporting. Improve customer relationship management through datasets. With well organized datasets, CRM users can better understanding customers' needs and interactions, leading to improved customer services and satisfactory. Last but not least, benefits of a datasets in the BI Builder. Tracking performance targets. That means datasets help track and compare performance against targets such as sales goals or project milestones to identify areas for improvement. Thank you all for your time and attention today. I hope you forwarded this session valuable and in, informative. If you do like to discuss further or need any support, please don't hesitate to reach out. Have a great day. Thank you.